There they're all back again. Looks like the east wind is going to be blowing a little bit this morning between the palm trees there. Look at all the little swallows gathering on the line here, getting ready to migrate again. They'll be off to Europe one of these days. Lovely sight. Birds on a wire. They filled up that whole wire there, ready for the migration north to Europe. Orange rocks down at the bottom here. Nobody fishing. Waves are kind of on the big side. There you go, all the little swallows. Lovely sunrise this morning.